So this is a little quick video to show a little problem we've been having with our solar panels lately, which makes me look a little bit stupid, but maybe it'll help you guys. So these are the panels in our legacy solar installation here in Maui. They're a bunch of Sanyo 32 Sanyo 250 watt panels with enphase microinverters on them. Pay a little attention to that bush on the right-hand side. Um, if you look at this at noon, like I'm looking at it here, it looks like it's nothing, no problem at all. But of course, in the morning, it'd be a little bit of shade. So how significant is it? Well, when we first installed the system, it put out somewhere around 40 kilowatts per day. Um, and then the microinverters started dying. So this wacky number is just that, just a wacky number of a dying system. Now it's putting out around 30 kilowatts per day and doing pretty well. But recently, one of our comments from a viewer said, "Wow, you got an awful lot of imbalance between those panels." I didn't think too much of it because it's the wrong end for that panel to be shading, for that bush to be shading it. But I started looking at it and realized, wow, it's in the morning, it's pretty bad. So maybe it is shading. Um, but I didn't think it would affect it too much over the course of a day. Uh, and and I realized, wow, I could have swapped the order of the panels of the microinverters when I commissioned the new ones. So I went down to check on the serial numbers, and when I did, I brought my chainsaw, and this is what happened. Yeah, all of a sudden we got this pretty much the same generation across the board. So is that significant in terms of power output? Well, I would say yes. We were losing about a kilowatt hour per day, and now we've got it back. All for the cost of me staggering down that crazy steep hill and cutting down a bush.